Hi Greg, you got a problem with your stimuli? They're not quite the right size. So here's the experiment. Actually, we're going to start from the very beginning. You got these two guys here. This is the one which I've just. This is the old one. Okay, so you'll first notice that we don't start from trial one. So this is the first thing you to be aware of. That is now you see for each trial we specify a block. So the first, all the boring ones are like block one, two, and three, and all that. It's sequential. Well, if you have two block ones, they'll go after each other. There's no randomness. But as we go down, you'll notice we have some experimental trials here. And so these are your three experimental trials, types of trial anyway. And well, they're actually the stimuli. So here are your three lots of experimental trials, and they use the template cereal and template, chocolate box and template, salmon and template. So it so happens that they're specified as occurring at block -10, which means that they'll occur before everything. So if we get rid of get rid of the minus sign and save it, if you refresh the study, hopefully that's the right experiment. Yeah, I've got to yeah. So we started up where we should have started up. Okay, so that's a key thing to know. I'm actually going to put that back to -10 now, because I want to show you about stimuli. Ah, blast. What, am I on the wrong experiment? Let's just close down both of these so we can see where we're at. Packaging, Greg. Okay, so they're too big. So we're gonna we're going to first of all play with chocolate box. So I want the chocolate trials to come first. So I'm just going to put in block -10 up here. So instead of cereals, chocolates, and salmon all going randomly, we're now always going to get chocolate ones there. Chocolate ones appearing first. So I guess we want how to fix this. Well, we probably want to shrink the overall box size and maybe have one chocolate on top of the other. Are those identical? I'm not too sure. I'm not convinced they're supposed to be like that. So we're going to reduce the size of the box. We're going to make it I don't know 45% height, and I want it to start. So if it's 45% height, it means if it starts at 55, it should go to the end of the screen. But let's just save it and see what it looks like. Yeah, a bit smaller. You can play with that. So the next thing we've got to worry about are the positions of the boxes. Now I got a suspicion that we don't have so many boxes in your experiment, so I'll show you anyway. You can edit away. What you have to do is you have to play with the X positions and the Y positions here. So chocolate boxes, we're just going to copy this guy here, go to chocolate boxes. We've already got X's there, so it's going to copy Y. And so one way doing, oh, last. Well, did I not copy Y? Because one did. Control C. Okay. What have I done wrong? Typical. Oh, okay. There's no. Yeah, it doesn't like it if you have any mistakes in the folder. So we're going to have two rows. So let's go 18% and okay, that's the problem. I had to insert on 18%, say 25%. Control S to save it, and we only want 3 expositions now. So 50 will be the center. I don't know, 75. Is that logical? Who knows? Let's find out. 75%. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so you get the idea. Now they're kind of like, it's getting there. So we just need to increase the distance between them. So maybe 28% will do. Nope, not even 28%. So let's go for who knows, 32%. 32%. Control S. I can't believe that. There must be mammoth. Let's go down to 34%. Because the problem is if you go too low, you're going to overlap with the box beneath it. Yeah, well, they're overlapping still, but I'll let you play with the positions. I'm just going to increase it to 36, but we'll just assume that works. Oh, have a quick look. Yeah. I've got a sneaky suspicion we got too many stimuli there, although they are subtly different. These two browns look very, very similar. Oh no, they're different colours, slightly. Okay. So we just done salmon. Let's get rid of that. We'll just have a quick look at. So we just done chocolate. Let's have a look at salmon. So we got the same issue there, which is super easy to fix because we just copy and paste from chocolate. It could be the case that chocolate positions are good for everything. Which should be easy. Bet that's the case, to be honest. Control S. Okay, there's some mistake. Okay, we've got how many twice? It really doesn't like mistakes. Yeah, so that looks good. And I bet you we're going to do exactly the same thing for the next guy. Cereal. Wrong one. Well, that's not so bad, is it? Maybe you want to. Well, we probably want to extend the gap between them. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll let you play with that. I just tend to use Excel and figure out how to make it equidistant between 0 and 100%. Okay, you might want to move trial 1 out of 32 down a bit. Okay, that's everything. I'm just going to remove that. Okay, let's stop with that one. I've just saved it. I'll just show you the other one. Well, anyway, so you can edit away with both of them. Okay, good luck. Cheers. Bye bye.